There are many business ideas that can be suitable for housewives looking to start a home-based business. Here are some ideas to consider. Home-based catering. If you enjoy cooking and have a talent for it, you can start a catering business from home. You can cater for small events and parties, or offer meal delivery services to local customers. Handmade crafts. If you have a talent for creating handmade items like jewelry, home decor, or clothing, you can start an online business selling your creations. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students who need extra help. Personal shopping. If you have an eye for fashion and style, you can offer personal shopping services to clients looking for help with their wardrobe. Home-based daycare. If you enjoy working with children, you can start a home-based daycare for local families in your area. Virtual assistant. If you have good administrative and organizational skills, you can offer virtual assistant services to small business owners who need help with tasks like email management, social media management, and bookkeeping. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a talent for writing or editing, you can offer freelance services to businesses or individuals who need help with content creation. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, you could start a pet sitting or dog walking business. These are just a few ideas to get started. When choosing a business idea, it's important to consider your skills, interests, and available resources to determine what will work best for you. Remember, when starting a business, it's important to research your market, create a solid business plan, and be willing to put in the time and effort to make it successful.